Welcome my viewers once more. Today I am making a video for those who are preparing for UGC NET as well as for assistant professors in different states of our country. The title of my video is Famous Literary Works with Their Subtitles. There is always one or two questions on subtitles of different works. So let's start this video without wasting our time. First work is The Prelude. Okay, it was written in 1850. Its subtitle is Growth of a Poet's Mind, and the work is written by William Wordsworth. The Prelude, is a long autobiographical poem which depicts poetic and spiritual development. The goal of this poem is to demonstrate the fitness of the poet to produce good poetry. Its first volume came in 1805 and its last volume came after poet's death in 1850. William Wordsworth also was a poet laureate from 1843 to 1850. Now let's proceed. In this video I will cover almost 30 literary works with their subtitles, which are very important from different exams which are going to be conducted in coming years. I have studied a lot to search out these subtitles. Second is She Stops to Conquer. Okay, this work came in 1773. Its subtitle is The Mistakes of a Knight, and the writer is Oliver Goldsmith. Okay, Oliver Goldsmith also wrote The Vicar of Wakefield. Then third, Under the Greenwood Tree. This work was written by Thomas Hardy in 1872. Its subtitle is A Ruler Painting of a Dutch School. Then fourth, Urn Burrell. Its subtitle is Hydriogopatia, and the writer is Sir Thomas Browne. Sir Thomas Browne is a Puritan writer, you know it very well. Then number 5, Pamela. Pamela, is the first novel in English written in 1740. Its subtitle is Virtue Rewarded, and the writer is Samuel Richardson, who is father of novel in English literature. Sixth number is Sartor Resartus. This work was written in 1834 and its subtitle is A Tailor Reclothed, and the writer is Thomas Carlyle. Thomas Carlyle is an essayist of the Romantic period. Number 7 is Vanity Fair. Vanity Fair has a very famous character, Becky Sharp. This work was written in 1848 and its subtitle is A Novel Without a Hero, and the writer is William Thackeray. William Thackeray is a very famous Victorian novelist. Now coming to next, number 8, All for Love. All for Love is written by John Dryden. John Dryden is a very famous author of Restoration period. He wrote many satires as well as some heroic plays, heroic tragedies, and the play is All for Love. Subtitle is The Word Well Lost, and the writer is John Dryden. John Dryden, born in 1631 and he died in exactly 1700. Then one more work of John Dryden is subtitled A Satire Upon the True Blue Protestant Poet T.S., and this work is Macflecknoe, which is a satire on Jonathan Swift. Then number 10 is The Plague. Plague was written in 1947 Okay, its subtitle is La Piste, and the writer is Albert Camus, who is a post modern work, okay, post modern writer. Then number 11 is Love in Tub. Love in Tub came in 1664, and its subtitle is The Comical Revenge, and the writer is a restoration dramatist Sir George Etherick. Number 12 is our next work, which is subtitle is Back to Masiha. Okay, this work came in 1921. Its subtitle is Metabiological, and its author is George Bernard Shaw. George Bernard Shaw, wrote social comedies. Then The Critic. Its subtitle is A Tragedy Rehearsed, and its author is Richard Brinsley Sheridan. Next, Middlemarch is a famous work written by George Eliot. George Eliot wrote different plays in Victorian, different novels in Victorian age. She wrote The Silas Marner, The Mill on the Floss, okay, The Mill on the Floss, Adam Bede in 1859, okay, and Middlemarch. Her Middlemarch is subtitled as A Study of Provincial Life. Then Euphis is written by John Lill, who is a university wit. The title of this work is Euphis, but it is subtitled as The Anatomy of Wit. Okay, this question came in many times in different exams. The literary work that I am covering, I have studied different exams which were conducted over last 20 years for TGTs, PGTs, University Grant Commission tests and assistant professor tests, which are going to be conducted recently, which were conducted recently by different public service commissions in different states of our country. Then number 16 is The Princess is written by Lord Alfred Tennyson. Lord Alfred Tennyson is representative poet of Victorian period, and the subtitle of this work, The Princess, is A Midley. Then Tyresis, which is an elegy on the death of A.H. Clugg, written by Matthew Arnold. It's subtitled as A Monody. Then Mary Barton, which came in 1848, 1 year after Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. This work is subtitled as A Tale of Manchester Life, and the author is Elizabeth Gaskell. Then Silas Marner, again written by George Eliot, okay, and the work is subtitled as The Weaver of Ravoille. Then coming to next page, Rasselas is written by Samuel Johnson. Rasselas is subtitled as Prince of Abyssinia. Samuel Johnson, is famous for his dictionary, which came in 1755, and he also wrote preface to Shakespeare's play, Preface to Shakespeare. Then Calarizia is subtitled as Harlow, and this work is written by Samuel Richardson. Calarizia was written in 1748. So I am also telling you the publication of these works, which can be asked in your exams. So remember most of them, when these works were published, okay, and who is the author of these writers. Then Alastor, which is subtitled as The Spirit of Solitude, is written by P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley, wrote Ode to West Wind and other revolutionary poems. Okay, then Arms and the Man. Okay, Arms and the Man and Man and Superman, both these plays are subtitled. Okay, subtitled. Arms and the Man is subtitled as an anti-romantic comedy. Okay, and the play is written by this play is written by George Bernard Shaw. So always remember, Arms and the Man is subtitled as an anti-romantic comedy, and this play is written by George Bernard Shaw. Again, one another play of George Bernard Shaw, The Man and Superman, is subtitled as a comedy and philosophy. This work was written in 1902. Then I want to cover some Indian authors. Let's cover some Indian authors. Train to Pakistan, which is a famous partition novel written by Khushwant Singh. This work was written in 1956, and Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh is subtitled as Manu Mazra. Then Nectarine Sieve is subtitled as a novel of rural India. This work is written by Kamla Markandeya, and Nectarine Sieve was written in 1954. Let's move a bit back. Philaster, which is subtitled as Love Lies Bleeding. Philaster was written in 1620, and this is a joint work of two dramatists of Jacobean period, Francis Beaumont and John Fletcher. Then Peter Pan, which is subtitled as The Boy Who Would Not Grow Up, is written by a postmodernist playwright J.M. Barrie. Let's move to next page. The Heart of Midlothian, which was written in 1880 by Walter Scott, is subtitled as Tales of My Landlord. Walter Scott wrote Waverley novels. He is the father of historical novel in the Romantic period. Second last, Beckett. Beckett was written in 1959. This work is subtitled as The Honor of God, and the playwright is a French author, Jean Anouilh. Last work is Red Gauntlet. It is subtitled as Wandering Willies, and our author is Walter Scott. To my viewers, I have covered almost 30 authors, 30 literary works, famous literary works with their subtitles, and there is always one or two questions in every exam. No examiner can leave these things. So if you like my video, share it with your friends, and if you are new to my YouTube channel Easy English NCERT Learning with Chandrapal, you subscribe it. Tomorrow I shall make a video on beloveds of different poets. Okay, this type of questions are very useful for preparation of competitive exams. I will make video on types of stanzas and different literary movements and their writers very shortly before 20th of November. Thank you for viewing my videos. Share it with your friends and have a nice day.